To find vertical asymptote, set denominator equal to 0. Horizontal asymptote, look at the exponents in the fraction. If numerator is bigger than no horizontal asymptote. If it equals, then it equals those numbers with the exponents. If numerator is less than denominator, then it equals denominator. To find y-intercepts, just plug in 0 where x's are. For limits with the arrow is infinity. If numerator is bigger than it equals infinity. If denon is bigger than it equals 0. Limits with whole number, just factor. Cancel it out and then plug in that number. Power of e. Take derivative of the exponent and that multiplied on the right side and may have to move it to the front of e for ln. The number after ln becomes the denominator with 1 on top, and whatever number that's attached to the x gets multiplied through with the 1. For implicities, don't combine any terms, just take derivative of everything, and then connect all y primes to all originalists. To find tangent line, take x value and plug it into where the x's are in the original equation, and this is y value. Then take derivative and plug the x value given into it. This value gets plugged into the m part of the equation, and the equation is y minus y equals m parenthesis x minus x velocity equals v, and initial height equals s. Velocity function is the first derivative of s of t to see how long it hits the ground. Plug in quadratic formula, or just set equal to 0. To see when it reaches the max height, set the first derivative equal to 0. What is the max height? Plug answer into original. When taking derivative of area, the two exponent go to the front and dr over dt goes at the end, which is equivalent to increasing at a rate for volume the 3 exponent along with the 4 over 3. When taking the derivative, the 4 over 3 just becomes 4. The extrema is just finding the maxi and minimum. MVT first check to see if x fall from denon is in the interval. If not, take the x values given and plug into original. These are your other y values for those given x values. Then take these x and y values and plug them into the slope formula and set that value equal to the derivative, and then solve for the exit value, which would be your c value. Point of inflection is just the second derivative.